Hello and welcome to Really Random Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a table into Google Documents. This is my example water chart. Just something simple we can practice with this on. If you go on to your new tab on the right hand side, you'll see the little 9-dot app drawer. Go ahead and click on that. Click on Google Drive. I'm going to add a new Google Docs. First thing I'm going to do is title my document by clicking up here at the untitled document, deleting that. I'm going to write in water chart. And the next thing I'm going to do is to label my table. I like to center my labels, so it's going to be right in the middle. I'm going to choose Cabin Sketch for my font. If you don't have Cabin Sketch on your Google Docs, you can check out my other video where it teaches you how to add fonts into Google Docs. Also going to make this a little larger so we can see it, and we'll change the color. Before I go on down, I'm going to reduce the size of my font to 24. Hit enter, and now I'm ready to insert my table. Go up here on the left to Insert and Table. You can make it any size you want. Mine is going to be 9 by 7. Let's see here, 9 by 7. And when you click on it, it adds it into your document. Now the next thing I want to do is reduce the size of my font in this column so that my days of the week will fit in. I'm going to change that to 18. And I'm also, I'm going to re-highlight that and go ahead and change my color for that entire column. Here I'm just going to put in the days of the week. Now, on my original chart, if you look back at it, I put little water glasses so that I can post this on the fridge and go ahead and X those off. So I'm going to go back to the document we were working on. The first thing I want to do is make sure my little water glasses are going to be centered. So I'm going to highlight the entire portion that they're going to be in and change it to center justification. And insert an image in here. I'm going to go up to Insert and Image, search the web, and what I would like is a water glass clip art. When you find one you like, click on it, go to the bottom and hit Insert. Now when you insert your image, it might not be the size you like. So all you have to do is click on that image and change it to whatever size suits your liking. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is copy this and paste it into the other cells. I could go to the next cell, click on Insert, pick another water glass, and do that again, but I might not get my sizes the same size. So instead, all I'm going to do is click on the image I already have that I've resized. I'm going to right-click and hit Copy. Can go to the next cell and right click and click Paste. Now if you're a little bit more computer savvy, you could click on your image and hit Control-C, which is copy. You could use your arrow key to move over to the next cell, and you could hit Control-V, which is paste. So right now I'm hitting the right arrow, Control-V, right arrow, Control-V. And I could do this for my entire document, or I could go ahead and highlight this entire row. I could hit Control-C to copy it, bring it down to the next cell, and hit Control-V to paste it in, which is what I'm going to do because I think it's a lot faster. Now I am using my mouse to click down onto the next line. If I didn't and I just hit enter, it ends up expanding the cell that I'm in. So instead, I'm going to undo that. I tried hitting backspace. That was a bad idea. Let's just go to our edit and undo. Anytime you make some kind of horrific mistake, feel free to edit and undo. Here we are back to where we were. So I'm going to go down again, hit Control V because my water glasses were still on my clipboard copied. And I filled in my water chart. Now, something else that you might want to do is change the look of your chart. So if you go anywhere on your chart and hit your right mouse button, you can go to Table Properties. Now here you can change the color of your table border, which I'll pick pink, and you can change how thick you want those lines to be. So I'm going to pick 2.25 so you can see the difference. You can also choose where do you want things aligned. Like my table is in the center of my document right now. I could go ahead and change that to the left or to the right. Also, if you had a particular cell that you wanted to change the background of, you could highlight the cell and come in here and change the cell color. I'm going to leave it here, just changing it pink and making it thicker. Hit OK. And as you see, everything has changed. I'm going to go in and show you how to highlight a cell just in case you wanted to know. Let's say that this water day was extremely important to me. I'm going to just click on a cell, right click and go to Table Properties again. And this time I'm going to change that cell's background to yellow and hit OK. So in conclusion, this is a really simple chart you can make, and in future videos I'll show you how you can merge cells and make them larger or smaller. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.